world, romantic love is a precondition for marriage. But the arranged marriages in India, marriage comes first, love comes next. The traditional arranged marriage and modern love marriage are contrast in contemporary India. But a new contrast of love marriage versus love jihad which started a decade ago in Kerala. Now it's all over India and even going globally. Let's get into the topic. I'll tell you the difference between love marriage and love jihad. Love marriage is rooted in a man and women loving each other. Love jihad says that it is rooted in Muslim men loving non-Muslim women more for their religion. Love marriage can be between any man and women within the same faith or outside faith. But Islamic love jihad is only between Muslim men and non-Muslim women. Still, many of them may not get a clear view about love jihad. Let me be simple. We all know what is love, but what is jihad? Jihad means any effort to promote Islam. So, the effort which is taken to promote the Islam using the tool love is called love jihad. Directed by the Supreme Court of India, the National Investigation Agency probed 94 cases of love marriage between Muslim men and non-Muslim women and suspected 23 of them are instances of love jihad. The concept of love jihad came from the Malayalam word Arabic Kalyanam. This was the beginning of love jihad. This entire act was muted by giving a communal flavor to it. Love jihad was coined in Kerala in 2009. In 2012, the Congress Chief Minister of Kerala, Oman Chandy, said that during 2009 to 2012, 2,667 young women of other religion were converted to Muslim, whereas only 81 of them were converted from Muslim to other religion. It is 33 times less than that of other religions. Recently, on October 26, 2020, at Faridabad, a major industrial hub of Haryana, a 21-year young woman was shot dead outside her college. This brutal activity was done by a Muslim boy who was infatuated by her. The victim's family has linked the killing of their daughter with the so-called love jihad. There is an idea of the spread of Islam all over the world. Islam spread only through the sword. Domestically and internationally, interreligious marriage was one of the 4 methods by which Islam spread. Intermarriage between Muslim and non-Muslim has been historically important for the spread of Islam in many contexts. Kerala has since gone global. Buddhists in Burma and Thailand say that love jihad is a tool for Islamization. The awful fact is that Islamic population is projected to grow by 2.5 billion in 2050. Finally, we are about to end. I may not give you the real essence of this issue, but I'm sure that I have given something that hits your mind about this issue. Jihad can be done through many ways, but choosing love to promote their religion is brutal. Love is not a tool to be used. Love is one of the most sensitive matter in one's life. Okay, let's keep this apart. Next, I'm not saying that all Muslim boys love to promote their religion, but there are certain people, those who only love to promote. Now, I want to ask you something. Do you need this situation to prevail? The answer is in our hands, because we are the future of India. In a secular country like India, we have our own freedom. Not only freedom, but also rights to choose our own religion. So, at least in our generation, we should live with our own values, we should respect others' feelings and live with great standards. Prohibit love jihad. Thank you. Jai Hind.